Hello everyone, I am Dr. Daya Bhardwaj, Assistant Professor in Faculty of Law, Law Center 1. Today I am going to present subject Principle of Taxation in this orientation program, which is one of the optional subject in your 5th semester. So student, it is a very important subject having a practical utility, deals with our day-to-day life, and having a very vast career after specialization in taxation law. So student, regarding taxation system, in any set of pattern of government need revenue. It may be a capitalistic society, socialistic society, or democratic setup. Each government need revenue, and for that government is authorized to levy tax. In Indian context, Indian constitutional provision Article 265 authorize government to levy tax. Only government can levy tax on person on its subject matter. So on the basis of the payment of taxes, it is divided into two parts: direct tax and indirect tax. It is the distinction which is given only on the basis of imposition of tax. If it is imposed directly upon a person, then it is direct tax like income tax, wealth tax, gift tax, etc. And if it is imposed by a government upon a person indirectly, then it is indirect tax like GST. So in this subject, we have to discuss direct tax and indirect tax. Income tax is the subject matter of your course. So let's see the basic concept of taxation in India. So administration of tax law in India run as Ministry of Finance at top position in administrative hierarchy of tax law, and thereafter Ministry of Finance, Department of Revenue, Central Board of Direct Taxes, Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Custom. And both these boards have been constituted under the Central Board of Revenue Act 1963 for the proper functioning of taxation system in India. Regarding income tax law, there are four basic sources of income tax law in India. First source, that is legislation, Income Tax Act 1961, and this act provide determination of tax income, determination of tax liability, procedure for assessment, appeal, penalty, prosecution, etc., and power and duties of income tax authority has been highlighted in this act. And thereafter, at second position, income tax rule 1962 also deal with the income tax law in India. The third source is circular and notice or clarification by Central Board of Direct Taxes. Fourth and the last source of income tax law in India is judicial precedent or judicial decision, case law decided by the competent court. In your coursework, we have to discuss Income Tax Act. It is a very unique concept of income tax act, and according to the legislative division, it is divided into 298 section, 23 chapter and 14 schedule. So income tax in simple sense we can understand. What is income tax? It is a tax imposed by government upon a person in respect of his total income. And what is total income? So it is the basic or the key line here for the proper understanding of income tax law. So income tax is not tax on income, it is on excessive income, and for excessive income we have to analyze total income of any person which is earned by a person in a previous year and will be taxable in assessment year. So there are various concepts which is covered under this law. So basically, total income, we have to find out total income and we have to apply the rate of taxes according to the Finance Act every year. Total income, we can find out total income. So for that we have to see all the source of income, all the heads of income. There are basically 5 heads of income: salary, house property, PGBP, capital gain and income from other sources. Thereafter, we have to club the income of another person here, like the income of our children can be clubbed in the income of parents. And thereafter, we have to apply deduction, general deduction from section 80C to 80U. And the left out amount or the remaining amount is total income, which is taxable. So for the better appreciation of this coursework, we have divided it into 6 part. The first part, in topic 1, we have to analyze the concept of tax. We have to discuss what is direct tax, indirect tax here, and we have to understand the concept of income. So student, there are various misconceptions relating income, like it is a black money, it is a white money, but no, here in income tax law there is no distinction of any kind of black and white. There is only 3 kinds of income which is accepted income under this act: taxable income, exempted income, and rebatable income. So this all has been covered in topic 1 and defined various important concepts like the previous year assessment here, what is income, what is not income. The general rule has been covered in topic 1 relating to income tax law. The second unit deal with the exempted income, that is agriculture income. So what is agriculture income? Income which is earned by a person from agriculture. Agriculture here stands for agricultural operation